Hi guys, this is Balu from Packet. So here I'm working as a trainer comes developer. So here I'm doing the front end task of contact form, how to create a contact form. So before creating this contact form, first we have to download the Visual Studio Code. For that, we go to Google and then just type Visual Studio Code download. So after that, click on that Visual Studio Code. So for me, the laptop version will be Windows. So I need to click on that Windows. If you are Mac or any other, just click on that type. So for me, Windows, right? So I need to click on that Windows. So after I click, it take time. So it's the file automatically will start downloaded. So for that purposing, and then we have to close, go to desktop, and then here I create a new folder. So for that, right click on the desktop and then create a new folder. Here I make it name as contact form. So for then desktop, the contact form will be created. So after the Visual Studio Code download completion, just type Visual Studio Code. The Visual Studio Code will be arrived. So open Visual Studio Code. So it looks like this. So now we have to attach that contact form to in this Visual Studio Code. For that, just click on that file option, add folder to workspace. So my folder name will be contact form, right? So here the contact form is right. So just click on that folder and then add. So my contact form folder will be added. So before going to the .html file, we have to download live server. So then for that, go to extensions and then click live server. So it came like this. For this, we have to download it. So for myself, the live server is already downloaded. So if you are already downloaded, then no need. If you are not downloaded, please download this live server. So I'll close and then go to my file explorer. So here in this contact folder form, I just right click and then create new file. Now make it folder file name as contact.html. So for the contact.html, here I need to enter the basic HTML structure. For that, I no need to enter any HTML tags, head section, body section, that all no need. Just there is one shortcut. Shift 1, enter. Okay, just like Shift 1, exclamation mark, and then enter. Okay, so here my title name will be contact form. Right click and then open with live server. So my contact form phase will be created. So for now, I need to start creating my form. So first of all, for creating that form, we need to take one form tag. So here I take one form tag. So for that form tag, I need to give some stylings, right? So for the styling, I use internal styling. So internal styling means the styling which was given in the head section for the what are the tags we need required to style it. So inside head section, I take style tag. So for that, I need to give styling for form, right? So I just type form flower bucket open close. So and my form will be given my maximum width will be 600 pixels So I just see that there is no anything. After giving width and my margin, I need to adjust in this center position, right? I just enter margin 50 pixels auto, and then I give background color maybe mm, dark salmon. So now here we take form. So inside that form, I need to take one heading, say H1 as type contact form. So my contact form will be created, and then I'll also adjust at the width and all, right. Mm, I need to keep change my color into small light color. So after contact form, I need to give a label tag as take one label tag. So here first I need to enter my first name, right? So I just type first name. So inside for I keep it name as FN. So I need to type that first all name. So and then input box. So here input box I need to type text, right? So I just type text and then I keep my name as ID equal to FN and my name equal to FN for database connectivity, and then I give a placeholder mm, venture your first name. So my box will automatically fill it, right? Definitely the box will be filled. So just that I just give required, just save and run. So my contact form will be created. So for that contact form, I'll keep that label and input tag in one div section. Yeah. For the div section, I keep class equal to form group. Okay. For that form, I keep given with background color. I'll give padding will be 20 pixels, and then I keep border radius. So for that curve, I need to give for the border radius, I keep 10 pixels, and then box shadow. Box shadow, I keep 0, 0, and then 20 pixels. Red. In case of red, it's given better dark. So I'll just click open with live server. So my contact form page will be created now. Mm, I need to adjust this contact form at the center position. So for that, I take one H1 tag. Mm, I keep text align center, and then the color will be aqua. So the contact form will be created. Oh, I need to reduce this, it's look better. Okay. And then I need to adjust that margin. Keep margin bottom by 20 pixels. The 20 pixels of margin bottom will be adjusted. So, and then again, I copy that all and then paste. So here form group, first name, and then here I take out the first name and I type last name. So here in case of FN, I just type LN, ID, LN, and name, LN, enter your last name. So the box compulsory has to be filled, right? So I type required. The form will be taken. After that, we need to take email box. So for that, I again take copy the paste and paste it here. In case of last name, I'll change. I keep email. Here I take em and my text will be changed into email. So in the place of ID, I keep em. In place of name ln, I keep enter your email. So the box must fill, so it required. So my email box also will be filled now. So after that, I take mobile phone number. So that I take mobile as an option. Mobile. For that, I type MBL. In the place of email, I just place text. Then ID equal to MBL. Name equal to MBL for database connectivity. And then enter your mobile number. Yeah. So for all of this, and again I take message. So for that is just like a feedback form, right? So for that again I copy this and then paste here. So here I type feedback. Click and make it FB. Okay. So here in this input box, I keep to change to text area. So here I take text area tag. So in place of idea, I can change to FB. In the place of name, I change to FB. And the placeholder will be enter our feedback. And then the option will be must and should, right? So I need type required. So here the contact form for will be created. So for this, I need to give the styling to better look. So for that, here I take styling for input. What I need to take type equal to for text and input type equal to email. Also here I need to take. So I just type email, and then for text area also we need to adjust, right? So just I type text area, square brackets open, close. For this I'm given the styling. So I keep width 100%. So it looks like this. And then I keep padding 10 pixels, and then I keep margin as 10 pixels top and left, and 0 pixels for left and right. So here let's look. Okay. And then I keep to adjust a border. If you keep border as black, I need to change it border. I keep 1 pixel solid black. So border color will be changed. Then I need to adjust border radius. For that border radius, I need to take border radius. I keep 5 pixels. Okay. And then box sizing will be border box. Yeah. So here the box will be adjusted. For that, I keep font size. So whatever the font will be required, it will be converted into mm, 16 pixels. So it looks better. Yeah. So the type boxes will be adjusted. So now I need to change label text names and colors, right? So for that, I need to enter label, flower brackets, open, close. So for them, I keep color as blue. I need to change this color to blue. Yeah, it look dark is better. Yeah. So the color will be changed. So I make it bold. It's looking bold will be better. I keep font white will be bold. Yeah. So for that 70 to 80% the form will be completed. Now for more I need to give a button. So for that button here I enter take one input box, input, here inside I keep submit box. So I keep value equal to submit. So the submit button will be formed. So now I need to adjust that button. So for that adjusting that button, I take input type equal to submit. So for that submit button, mm, I keep width will be 100 pixels, and background color will be blue, Then color will be keeping white is better in the background of blue. Then I keep padding 12 pixels. So here it looks like. So in case of width 100 pixels, it's better giving 100%. The 100% button will be formed. So after padding, I keep border none. So the border will be missed. And then I keep border radius 5 pixels. And then font size 16 pixels. Yeah, so the form will be looks better. Mm, I need to adjust that feedback form text area box. So for that, I take text area. I keep it height 150 pixels. Is looks better. I think so. Yeah. So guys, the contact form is ready. So now I need to add hover effects for submit button. So how to add hover effects? Take that submit button, paste it, colon over. Make it color as blue. For that I need to reduce something little bit color. And then I color as Chartreuse. I think in case of blue, it's better to change any color. I keep it pink. For this all I keep color, yeah. So that is not working. So I change to background color. So whenever my contact form, yeah, it looks. So in case of pink, it's better use blue only. Maybe slight variation is looks better. Yeah. So after a bit, little bit add some changes. So which changes is better? So here the keeping margin will be better in between the every box. So for that, here I take one div section, right? Form group. For that form group, for that is in the class, right? So I just dot form group. I keep it margin bottom by 400 pixels. Yeah, it's looking better now. So the sizes will be first name and last name will be sizes will looking very small. So for that label, I need to enter font size and make it 20 pixels. Is it good? Yeah, some more 25. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So guys, this is the way we created the contact form. Yeah. Thank you guys. So this is the structure. Yeah. Thank you.